What do you think makes you see things from a different perspective? Information. In this video, I'm going to show you three lucrative skills that are going to be of high demand in 2025. So you just have to position yourself. If you don't know these skills, you can start to learn them. First skill, how to use AI is the first skill. Now, what do I mean by how to use AI? Most people complicate how to use AI. AI is actually very simple to understand. Now, what do I mean? Let me explain something here. Most YouTubers are going to tell you that you must know how to prompt AI for you to be able to use AI effectively, efficiently, but it's not necessarily true, because you could actually use AI and train the AI to give you what you want. What do I mean? Now, I don't necessarily need to master certain scripts to be able to get certain results. Let me explain. Now, you can see I came to ChatGPT, and what I did was I uploaded this image here from my device. How you can do that is just to tap on this place and then you just select file and then you upload the image. Now, when I uploaded this image, the next thing I did was I asked ChatGPT, simple, to look at this image and write a prompt that I can copy and paste to an image generator, and the generator generates the same kind of image that has been given, or something like that. So what I did was just press enter, and then it wrote a script for me, which I copied, and I took the script to Copilot and I pasted the script here in Copilot, and at least it gave me something like this. So even if it didn't give me exactly what I wanted, but at least it gave me something that relates exactly to this. So you can see that this is even more better, it's even cool than this other one. So what do I mean by this? So it means you don't necessarily need to know how to prompt for you to get what you want. All you can do is, let's say you want an image, a very good looking image of a girl holding a basketball, and you don't know how to prompt it. All you can tell ChatGPT is, ChatGPT, I do not know how to prompt well, but I want a picture of a girl holding a basketball. Please, I want you to write 5 prompts that can give me a very good and clear HD, well designed image of a girl holding a ball, or image of a girl holding a basketball. And then what ChatGPT does is that it just gives you, it just writes all the prompts, and then it gives you, copy the prompt and then take it to any image generator and even the ChatGPT itself, and it's going to generate. Now, what I'm trying to do here is just to tell you that you don't necessarily need to be a very good you don't necessarily need to learn prompting, but it's good that you learn it though. But anyone can do this. Anyone can just take ChatGPT or take any AI tool that generates text and just talk to it like a normal human being. Let it understand you and let it give you what you want. So the first skill that you have to learn is how to use AI, and using AI has a lot to do with critical thinking than just how to use the tool, to be honest with you. Learn how to use AI, critically think about it, critically think about how you can handle certain issues and solve certain problems. That is the first skill. Now, the second skill is video editing. Now, you see, every single day we consume content. If you use your phone, use your laptop, you consume content, and every content you consume that is made professional and edited well was edited by someone. So majority of the content you watch is edited by who? Edited by a video editor. To be honest with you, video editors that knows what they are doing well are going to be getting paid high very soon. That is one skill you can learn. Just think about learning video editing. It's really going to help you a lot. Now, I have a complete course on video editing, a whole digital marketing course, and it also have video editing, but everything is going to be in the description below. If you're interested in that, you can just tap on it. You get all other courses there, and also video editing course there, so you can check that out if you're interested in learning video editing. That is the second skill. Now, the last skill I'm going to talk about is content creation. Now, content creation is the last skill, and it's very, very important, and it's one skill that you need to have in 2025. I don't care who you are, I don't care what industry you belong, you need to be creating content. Because if, let's say, you have a business and you're not creating content and posting it out there, you are literally cheating yourself. To be honest, you're cheating yourself. Like, no one is cheating you but yourself. So even if you don't want to create content with your face, you can use AI. So we're going back to AI. You can use AI, or you can meet people that have the expertise in creating content, and then just create content. To be honest with you, create content. It could be anything. You could just video anything. I literally got a puppy and I'm soon going to start making content with the puppy and upload it, because I understand the importance of making content, because we are living in a time where attention is the new currency. So if you create content, you're positioning yourself in getting attention from people, and those attention you can use to monetize those attention. So you can monetize the attention, and you can also promote your business, and you can also promote your personal brand. So making content is very, very essential in 2025. So these are the 3 skills that are very, very essential in 2025. Hope you got value from this. If you did, like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. More videos like this are going to be coming on.